we need to go back.
Where?
Back to the ICEBAR. I've already covered the ICEBAR once, but this is the place that just keeps on giving. They rebuild the ICEBAR with a new theme every year, and this year the theme is Swedish Inventions. That's perfect, I get to brag a little bit about being a Swede. The ICEBAR is built out of 40 tons of ice from the Torne River, the Torne Älv up in Jukkasjärvi. That's also where the Ice Hotel is. And you get a free drink. Woo, show the drink. Did you know that the 3-point seatbelt in a car, that's a Swedish invention? And the zipper, and the adjustable spanner, and the Tetra pack. There's actually a ton of Swedish inventions. Everyone knows about Alfred Nobel, you know, the boom guy, Dynamite, and also the Nobel Prize. But we also have Anders Celsius, who invented the Celsius temperature scale, and also Lars Magnus Ericsson, who invented the phone handset. It's not really that useful anymore, but it was popular for a while at least. I found it, my patron saint! Potato vodka inventions. That's bloody awful. All these illustrations on the walls are actually inspired by patent drawings, actual patent drawings. Pretty cool. So Sweden is a really small country, just 10 million people. We're this big, but still, we have a lot of inventions. On a list of most innovative countries in the world, Sweden actually came 8th, and we are number 2 at the number of engineers per capita. And we're also number 2 at the number of growing patents per capita, whatever kind of metric that is. That doesn't say anything, but anyway, it sounds pretty cool. So why are we so good at inventions? It's probably because it's miserable, cold and dark here 8 months per year. So we have nothing to do, either become alcoholic or invent stuff. What do you say? Is that a reasonable guess?
Yes. You're smart here.
There are more modern Swedish inventions as well. For example, liquid crystals used in LCD displays. That's a Swedish invention. Bluetooth, that's a Swedish invention. GPS, that's a Swedish invention. And the guy who invented GPS, he also invented the computer mouse. And Skype is a Swedish invention. Spotify is a Swedish invention. IKEA, H&M, everything is Swedish. Oh, and ABBA as well, but that's not an invention, it's a plague. Digital doctors is also a very recent Swedish invention. So, you know, when you have video conferences with a doctor and you can show your embarrassing rashes straight in video to him. How nice. Did you know that this is the world's first permanent ICEBAR?
No.
It opened in 2002.
Amazing.
Cheers. Yeah, party here at the ICEBAR. Here we are at a table of ice. Aww. More people taking pictures. I'm not alone here. Oh, check this out. How cool is that? Are we reaching a boiling point? Absolutely not. What's inside here? Let's check it out. It's a dead end. I think something broke. Oh, what happened here? Look, it's broken. So cheers to Swedish inventions, and let's hope we invent a lot more cool stuff. Actually, this one is empty, so I need to fill it up, and you need to like and subscribe. But most importantly, have a great day.